if you need help rebuilding your home after Hurricanes Helene and Milton, you can now apply.
It's called the Lee Cares Program, and it's giving the community big-time federal funding to help repair, rebuild, even replace damaged homes. Gulf Coast News reporter Jackie Gunther explains more on what you need to know about the Lee Cares Program.
If your home in Lee County was damaged by Hurricanes Helene or Milton, you have until March 31st to apply for help through the Lee Cares Program. That deadline is fast approaching, and if you miss it, you could lose your chance at federal disaster recovery money. The funding can be used to repair, rebuild, or even replace damaged homes, including mobile homes. Applications must be submitted by March 31st to be considered. This money comes from a federal community development block grant set aside specifically for storm recovery. Once the portal closes, that's it. Meanwhile, county commissioners are also making big moves on how recovery dollars are spent. They started a 30-day public comment period to make changes to the county's hurricane recovery action plans. Those changes would allow officials to shift money between storm recovery programs if needed. Part of that includes adding $2.4 million to repair the Blind Pass Bridge on Captiva Island, a critical evacuation route for nearly 200 homes. Commissioners also approved up to $20 million to help build 230 affordable rental units in Fort Myers. If you or someone was hit hard by Helene or Milton, do not wait. The deadline is March 31st. You can visit our website at gulfcoastnewsnow.com or our Gulf Coast News app for more information on how to apply. Reporting in studio, I'm Jackie Gunther, Gulf Coast News.